Welcome to lesson number 11, adding integers or add integers. Is our objective, and like always, you can go back and pause these and read them on your own time. Vocabulary, rules and notes. Okay, so it boils down in this: adding and subtracting integers. Same signs add, different signs subtract. And so we're going to insert a lot of signs in here. So I want you to watch this video. It's a cute little song. It's nice little songs. Good video. Most kids like watching this video. You can watch this numerous times. You can get the name of the video and play it on your own phone or iPlayer or whatever, tablet, laptop, whatever. Okay, so find the sum. -6 plus -4. Look at the rule. Same signs, so same signs add. And we know 6 and 4 is 10. We know that 6 and 4 equals 10. They're both negative. Keep the negative sign. That's all you got to do. So our answer is -10. The sum or total of these two numbers is -10. Example 2. Two different signs here. One negative, one positive. Same signs add, different signs subtract. So we know that 17 minus 7 is 10, but you take the sign of the larger number, the larger absolute value. Even though -17 is smaller in real life, the absolute value of 17 is bigger than the absolute value of 7. So 17 is a bigger number. It was positive. Okay, so now here we have three numbers. So what I suggest here, what you do is you group the positive numbers and then the negative numbers. Since there's no sign in front of 32, we're going to put a positive in front of it. And so we're going to do 32 plus 8, which gives us 40. And then we're going to deal with the -19. And so 32 plus 8 gives us 40 plus -19. Now we have 21, because 40 minus 20 is 20 plus 1, or 40 minus 19 is 21. The larger number is 40. It's positive, so our answer is positive. And those are the end of our examples, and I urge you to work on the practice problems or the problems. See you at the end of the video. Okay, same signs add, different signs subtract. So we have 34 positive minus 17. We're going to borrow from the 3 to make it 2. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. The larger sign is positive, so our answer is 17. 34 minus 17 is 17. Okay, we're going to line these up. Different signs subtract. So 5, 3. The larger overall number is 56. Take the sign of the larger number. Okay, so here we go. 92 is positive. 92 plus 3 gives us 95. And then add negative 19. So positive 95 minus 19. Borrow 1 from 9, make it 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. The larger number is 95. Our answer is positive 76. And that is the end of adding integers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Have a good day. Subscribe. Hit the bell button for more notifications of videos. I have hundreds of videos to add here onto the site.